The Little Round Bun. Once upon a time, there lived an old man and an old woman. One day, the old man said, "Do make a bun for me, my dear." The old woman took flour from a box, made dough out of flour, and from the dough she made a little round bun. She baked it and put it on the windowsill to cool. The little round bun lay there for some time. Then it rolled from the window to a bench, from bench to the floor, and from the floor to the door. From the door it rolled out of the gate. It rolled on and on. By and by it met a rabbit on the way. The rabbit said, "Stop, little round bun, I am going to eat you up." "Don't do that, rabbit. Let me sing you a song," said the bun, and it began to sing. Taken out of flour box, made into a dough, and baked in the oven and cooled on the sill. I ran away from grandpa, I ran away from grandma, and I will run away from the rabbit. This minute I will, and off it roll away. By and by, the little round bun met a wolf. The wolf said, "Stop, little round bun, I am going to eat you up." "Don't do that, wolf. Let me sing you a song," said the bun, and it began to sing. Taken out of flour box, made into a dough, and baked in the oven and cooled on the sill. I ran away from grandpa, I ran away from grandma, I ran away from the rabbit, and I will run away from the wolf. This minute I will, and off it rolled away. Next, the little round bun met a bear and sang the same song, and off it rolled away. By and by, the little round bun met a fox. The fox said, "Stop, little round bun, I am going to eat you up." The bun said, "Don't do that. I am going to sing you a little song," and he sang the same song. The fox said, "Oh, what a pretty little song. Only I am afraid I don't hear well. Do hop onto my nose, pretty bun, and sing the song again, please." The little round bun jumped onto the tip of the fox's nose and sang the song again. The fox said, "Thank you, little pretty round bun. It's a lovely song indeed. Do hop onto my tongue and sing it once again for the last time." Little round bun jumped onto the fox's tongue and snap! The fox swallowed it up, and it was the last. No one saw the little round bun ever after.